Let me show you really quick how to add text behind video in CapCut. Here we have the video and the text. I think you already know how to add the text in CapCut. Simply select this option, then drag the default text in the timeline. If you want to make some changes to the text, then you can do it from here. Now, select the video you have. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then move the video above the text and release the Alt key. As we have the video copy, simply select it, then click on Remove BG, that means remove background. If you have a premium version, then you can select auto removal option. Simply check this one. It's going to take some time to process the video and the text. Then it will automatically show the text behind the person. If you are using free version, then you have to select custom removal. In here, we cannot select these two options as we can see the diamond icon. Simply select this brush icon. You can select the erase option as well, but I would like to go with brush option. Move the timeline playhead where you can see the person clearly. Let's move it here. We can see everything very clearly. After this, we need to adjust the screen. For that, click on this magnifying icon and zoom in to the screen, so that we can adjust it properly and we can highlight the person. Okay, here we can see that. Now click on brush icon and adjust the size from here. You can see if I want to increase it, I can increase it. If I like to keep it low, then I can select that one. After adjusting brush size, simply highlight the person. For an example, if I just highlight this thing and then I highlight this one, and if I have made some kind of mistake and I want to undo this, then I can simply select the undo option from here, and that will automatically remove the highlight from the video. Now let me do it really quick and show you how does it look. Here you can see we have highlighted the person and it's going to take some time to process it. Let it be done. Alright, it's done now. Now simply click on apply and here you can see the result. If I'll keep moving the playhead in the timeline, you can see text is there. Somewhere it's causing the problem, but that's how you need to add the text in the background. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up, hype this video and leave your comment below. See you in the next video.